Hi, this is Pilot Steve. Have you ever wanted to make something so beautiful that your friends would think you bought it from an expensive store? Well, Nerrisa Pratt's book Bargello is here to make that dream come true. This book isn't just about embroidery. It's a journey into the amazing world of Bargello patterns. Picture this. You're relaxing on your couch, needle in hand, and suddenly you're creating patterns that look just like art. Nerrisa Pratt's style is contagious. It makes you feel like you're stitching with a friend. Pratt's step-by-step instructions are clear, fun, and even a little funny. She makes something that could be boring into something exciting. Her descriptions of each stitch are so colorful, it's almost like you can see the patterns appearing right in front of you. The bright and colorful pictures in her book make it even better. Reading Bargello, I felt like I had found a new creative side of myself. It made me see embroidery not just as a hobby, but as a real art form with so many possibilities. This book doesn't just teach you how to stitch, it teaches you how to use your imagination, be patient, and create amazing works of art. The reviews are amazing. One reader said, "I never thought I could love embroidery this much until I found this book." Another said, "Nerrisa's funny personality and easy instructions made learning Bargello super easy." With an average rating of 4.8 stars, it's clear that a lot of people love Bargello. People love it for its detailed patterns, easy-to-follow instructions, and the joy it brings to their creative side. If you're ready to jump into the world of Bargello, check out the link in the description. I'll even give you free shipping if you want it. See ya!